Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to get more credits in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To purchase or add credits in CapCut, you'll need to use the mobile app. Start by opening the CapCut app on your phone and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Me option located in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on your profile at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. From here, look for the small Pro icon and tap on it. You'll now be able to see your current credit balance. Tap on the number of credits displayed to continue. After that, choose how many credits you want to purchase and press the Buy button. Proceed with your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or any other available option. Once the payment is completed successfully, your credit balance will be updated. You can also verify the updated credits on the desktop version of CapCut. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get more credits in CapCut. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!